Adding vendors in QuickBooks Online helps you manage payments, track expenses, and maintain vendor records. Here's how to add the vendor. Log into QuickBooks Online. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Go to Vendors section. On the left-hand menu, click on Expenses. Under the Vendors tab, click Vendors. Add the new vendor. In the Vendors section, click the New Vendor button at the top right corner. A vendor information form will appear. Enter vendor information. Name. Input the vendor's name. Email. Enter the vendor's email if you wish to send bills or purchase orders electronically. Billing address. Add the vendor's address for records and payments. Phone. Enter their contact information. Terms. Set default payment terms if applicable. Additional details. You can fill in extra details like tax ID for 1099 vendors, payment method, and notes for vendor-specific information. Save. Once you've entered all the relevant information, click Save.